Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. If you watched my last two most recent videos, you've seen a little theme going on, and that's breakfast. So what I've decided to do, since Tiki Month is over for me, is we're going to focus on a new theme. And that's going to be cocktails that pair very well with breakfast. The one I'll be doing now, I like to call it the morning margarita. So it follows a basic margarita recipe: 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of triple sec, but instead of the triple sec, we're going to replace that with orange juice. And if you watched my last video, you can see that one right here. That's the tequila sunrise using trop 50 orange juice. So let's go ahead and get this started. I'm going to show you how we make this low carb. In your tin, we're going to go 2 ounces of blanco tequila. And today I'm using tres agaves, or get fancy with it, tres agaves. I'm going to do 1 ounce of lime juice. Because we're going to be using the orange juice, I'm going to use bottled. Keep the carbs down as much as I can. Now, using fresh lime juice, we'll add 2.5 grams of carbs. Still not a lot. You know, we can get by with that, but I just kind of wanted to keep it as low as I could. And from there, the next thing we're going to add is our orange juice. So the trop 50 orange juice. Now, in 1 ounce of trop 50 orange juice, it's going to have 1.625 grams of carbs. That's 2.5. And if we would have used fresh lime juice, that would have put it, you know, just over 4 grams of carbs. And I have ice in this tin already. Go ahead and give this a good shake. You know, we want to get it nice and diluted and nice and chilled. When a tin's too cold to hold, you're done. And there, I'm good. So in your chilled glass, I'm going to add a little bit more ice to it. We're going to strain this over fresh ice. And we'll garnish that with a half orange wheel. And there you go, the morning margarita. Really, really good. It's not as sweet as a regular margarita would be because we're not using that triple sec or any other sweetener outside of the orange juice itself. So if you like it a little sweeter, go ahead and add a little simple syrup. You can catch that video right here on how to make a low carb simple syrup with 1 gram of carbs. Or even if you want to check out my video on the ultra low carb triple sec, you can see how you can do that. And put, you know, but this, I like the orange juice. I like that it's not super sweet. Great to go with some pancakes. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching. Be sure you click subscribe, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. But if you give me a thumbs down, leave a comment and tell me why. Alright guys, y'all have a great day, because I know I will.